Hi everybody, my name is Kate O'Donnell and I'm the principal at Gold College. Our school exists to challenge the paradigm of what senior schooling should look like in Australian schools. We believe not only in striving for academic success, but in finding ways to measure the impact that we can have as educators on the lives of young people. We enrol students who want something very different from school, and our Measure What Matters suite is an attempt to actually capture some of the work and the impact that we are having on the lives of young people, particularly on the lives of young students who are at high risk of not completing Year 12. What we believe we have done is found a way to genuinely measure longitudinally the change in students' attitudes to learning and their belief in themselves. This is something that everybody in education values, but often says is too hard to measure. So we are really excited to be among such illustrious company as finalists and looking forward to a great evening. Thanks, everyone.
Architects across Australia share a common goal: to create the best places for communities. But how do we know that our designs improve people's well-being? We noticed the gap. We saw that there was no established method to measure the social value in design. So we collaborated with the Australian Social Value Bank to undertake a pilot study to develop a framework and measure the social value created in Courtyard, our residential project in Nightingale Village. Winning the SIMNA Innovation Award would launch our framework into the spotlight to help us share this work with others. If adopted, the potential impact is huge. Architects could champion design features which generate the greatest social value, or governments could foresee the social value created in major developments for communities. Winning this award wouldn't just be for us, but we believe that measuring social value has the power to transform the industry. Thank you, SIMNA, on behalf of Hayball and the ASVB. We'd like to congratulate all our fellow finalists.
Hi, I'm Hayley Ferguson. I'm a project lead with Kowa Collaboration. Kowa means purpose in a Wabakal language. In 2022, Kowa had the privilege to connect with the Bendigo and District Aboriginal Cooperative. We walked alongside that team and built an evaluation toolbox. And in that toolbox, it included a theory of change and an M&E framework. And within that M&E framework, it incorporated truth-telling indicators and communities' measures of success.
Hi, we're Bendigo and District Aboriginal Co-op, and we created the first ever Aboriginal Therapeutic Day rehab in Victoria. It's called Barrangarrick, which means Our Journey. My name's Danny and I'm the Program Manager of Wellbeing.
I'm Jade, I'm the Female Case Manager Facilitator for Barrangarrick.
I'm Chris, I'm the Coordinator for Barrangarrick.
I'm Zane, I'm an AD trainee.
Barrangarrick is a healing program for Aboriginal and Torres Strait Islander community, and I'd just like to thank Kowa for all the amazing work they did in the evaluation, and we learnt lots from it.
My name's Natalie and this is Karen and we're from ReachOut. For those of you who aren't across ReachOut, we're a leading online youth mental health service that supports young people to feel better.
ReachOut services are purely digital and self-directed, so deciding how to measure the impact we have did present some challenges. We've had to be innovative and develop a completely new approach to measuring our value. There was nothing else around. Throughout our journey, we've applied the SVI principles and translated them into our unique requirements. This has helped us stay laser focused on understanding what actually changes for our service users. We've also been committed to moving beyond simply measuring our impact. We now have a suite of data touch points that we're using to improve our services and to prioritise our resources.
In Australia, 2 in 5 young people are experiencing mental health challenges, so it's never been more important to find support services that work. This work has helped us identify new opportunities to better support young people with their mental health and wellbeing. We're enormously proud of this work and we're really looking forward to sharing the results more widely in future.
Hi, I'm Ian Borman, Executive Manager of Impact at YMCA Victoria. We are very excited the YVIC Social Impact Strategy has been shortlisted as a finalist in this year's SIMNA Awards. Our social impact strategy is focused around measuring against 5 key social outcomes those being physical well-being, mental well-being, connection and belonging, future-ready skills, youth voice and empowerment. We measure across our 7 service lines, and we also create Power BI dashboards for the use of our managers, executive and our board to help us make evidence-based decision-making. Our work also supports our advocacy work and most importantly keeps us honest and accountable as an organisation who is after making the most social impact in our community. Thanks so much for listening.